Imagine soaring above city streets in your own flying car. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, 2026 just made it real. From jet-powered motorcycles to sleek ultralight eVTOLs, the latest wave of personal aircraft is redefining the way we think about travel. We're diving into 15 of the most futuristic, jaw-dropping flying cars launched this year, packed with insane tech, mind-blowing designs, and eye-popping speed. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is not just the future. It's personal flight like you've never experienced before. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, except it's real, and it's flying today. This single-seat electric VTOL is built from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, powered by 8 electric motors that push it up to 63 miles per hour. With around 20 minutes of flight time, it's designed for short, adrenaline-filled hops over open landscapes rather than long journeys. Priced between $128,000 and $148,000 before taxes, it stands out for another reason. In the US, no traditional pilot's license is required thanks to its ultralight classification. Simple joystick controls, auto hover stabilization, multiple redundancies, and even a ballistic parachute add confidence. It's not built for distance, but as a bold first step into personal flight, it's seriously exciting. XTurismo. The XTurismo looks like a machine pulled straight from a sci-fi blockbuster, a real flying motorcycle that actually lifts off the ground. Developed by Japan's ALI Technologies, this limited edition hoverbike blends futuristic design with serious engineering. Powered by multiple propellers and a hybrid petrol-electric system, it can hover for 30 to 40 minutes and reach speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour, or 62 miles per hour. It's loud, dramatic, and built to turn heads wherever it flies. But with a price tag between $680,000 and $777,000, it's far from everyday transport. Right now, the XTurismo feels less like a practical flying car alternative and more like an ultra-exclusive proof of concept, showing the world that hoverbikes are no longer just fantasy. Leo Flight JetBike. The Leo Flight JetBike feels like a glimpse of tomorrow brought into the present. This compact, propeller-free electric aircraft blends the spirit of a motorcycle with the freedom of a hovercraft, creating a truly unique personal flying machine. Instead of exposed spinning blades, it uses enclosed ducted jet fans, adding an extra layer of safety and stability for the rider. Built for one person, it can reach speeds of around 60 miles per hour and remain airborne for roughly 10 to 15 minutes at low altitude, ideal for short, heart-racing flights rather than everyday commuting. With a price tag of about $99,900 and a refundable $999 deposit, deliveries are expected in late 2026. In the US, it qualifies under ultralight regulations, meaning no traditional pilot's license is required, making every liftoff feel thrillingly accessible. CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp feels like a bold preview of how urban air travel could truly evolve. This compact 2-seat eVTOL air car stands out with 6 advanced cyclorotors that lift and propel the vehicle without tilting or banking the cabin, keeping passengers level and comfortable. Its unique 360-degree thrust vectoring system allows precise movement in any direction, delivering impressive maneuverability along with built-in safety redundancy. With a projected top speed of around 150 kilometers per hour and a range close to 100 kilometers, it's designed for efficient city-to-city hops rather than long-haul travel. While pricing hasn't been revealed and production is still years away, CruiseUp's innovative propulsion system and practical vehicle scale make it one of the most intriguing and forward-thinking flying car concepts in development today. ZAPATA Airscooter. The ZAPATA Airscooter feels like a dream lifted into reality, an egg-shaped hybrid VTOL designed for thrill seekers and aviation enthusiasts alike. Created by French innovator Frankie Zapata, this single-seat aircraft combines hybrid electric propulsion with intuitive controls, offering flight times of up to 2 hours and cruising speeds between 80 and 100 kilometers per hour, covering distances near 160 kilometers, far beyond most pure electric VTOLs. Priced around $250,000, it's also available at flight centers as a recreational experience, requiring minimal training. Under US FAA Part 103 ultralight rules, no pilot's license is needed, making it accessible to adventurous flyers. Its panoramic cockpit, smooth handling, and effortless liftoff turn personal flight into a thrilling reality, even if it's more for fun than daily commuting today. Bellwether Volar. The Bellwether Volar feels like a sleek glimpse into the future of urban air travel. This British-built eVTOL aims to make city-friendly vertical takeoff and landing a reality, featuring hidden propulsion systems designed for safe, quiet operation in urban environments. Early prototype tests demonstrated controlled low-altitude hops, while the production model promises cruise speeds of around 135 miles per hour, 220 kilometers per hour, and flight times between 60 and 90 minutes, carrying 4 to 5 passengers. While official pricing isn't yet released, Bellwether hints early units will cost as much as a private jet, potentially several $1 million, with a market debut expected around 2028. Though still aspirational, the Volar's combination of futuristic design, advanced engineering, and ambitious performance makes it one of the most compelling flying car concepts on the horizon today, capturing imaginations of urban air mobility enthusiasts everywhere. RYSE RECON. The RYSE RECON feels like a playful glimpse into the future of personal aviation. A one-seat ultralight eVTOL that almost feels like a rideable drone. Designed in Ohio, it uses 6 electric motors with removable batteries, lifting vertically and cruising at speeds up to 63 miles per hour for 20 to 25 minutes, offering a range of roughly 20 to 25 miles per charge. Its standout feature is accessibility. Under FAA Part 103 ultralight rules, no pilot's license is required, and it can even take off or land on water. Priced around $150,000, the Recon isn't ready for daily commuting yet, but its intuitive controls, lightweight design, and playful aerial performance make it a genuinely fun and approachable taste of what personal flight could be, turning futuristic imagination into real-world excitement. Urban Aero CityHawk. The Urban Aero CityHawk feels like a bold step towards the flying cars of our dreams, a car-sized, hydrogen-powered eVTOL engineered for the skies above cities. Its innovative ducted fan design eliminates external rotors or wings, giving it a compact, city-friendly footprint while quietly lifting a pilot plus up to 4 passengers. With projected speeds between 125 and 150 miles per hour and a range of around 100 to 150 miles, it promises zero-emission flight with minimal noise, ideal for urban air taxis or emergency services once certified. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but early estimates suggest a multi-million-dollar tag, aligning with premium eVTOLs. First commercial flights are expected in the latter half of this decade, making CityHawk a quietly revolutionary vision for urban aviation and the future of airborne transport. CopterPack Gen3. The CopterPack Gen3 isn't a traditional flying car. It's a backpack-style personal aircraft that feels like strapping the future onto your shoulders and taking off. This third-generation prototype uses a carbon fiber honeycomb frame with self-leveling autopilot, letting pilots ascend effortlessly without constantly adjusting controls. Early tests show it can carry up to 120 kilograms, climb to roughly 3,048 meters, and reach speeds of about 200 kilometers per hour, 120 miles, in short bursts, impressive for such a minimalist VTOL concept. While no official price exists, it's clear this is still experimental technology rather than a consumer-ready product. Yet, the raw sensation of solo flight it offers is undeniable, giving anyone who sees it a thrilling glimpse of personal aviation's potential. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike feels like hopping onto a Star Wars speeder bike and actually taking off. A jet-powered, single-seat flying motorcycle that turns sci-fi dreams into thrilling reality. Constructed from ultralight carbon fiber and 3D-printed components, it features a flight computer-assisted stabilization system for smooth hovering and precise control. It can reach speeds up to 102 km per hour, 63 miles per hour, and stay airborne for about 10 minutes on liquid fuel, with refueling possible in under a minute. Pre-orders are around $880,000, with deposits required to secure a reservation. While the flight time is short, and the price premium keeps it out of everyday commuting reach, the Volonaut Airbike offers an electrifying, futuristic experience, blending cutting-edge technology with pure aerial excitement. More a collectible thrill than a practical vehicle, but breathtaking nonetheless. Lift Aircraft Hexa. The Lift Aircraft Hexa feels like climbing into a real-life hover drone rather than a conventional flying car. A single-seat electric eVTOL designed to make personal flight simple and accessible. Equipped with 18 independent motors, a single joystick, and a semi-autonomous system, it's easy for anyone to learn, while offering robust safety features that allow it to land even if several motors fail. Cruising at around 60 to 63 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. It even floats safely on water thanks to integrated buoyant pontoons. Priced at approximately $495,000, the Hexa is expensive but delivers a uniquely thrilling recreational flight experience. Under US FAA ultralight rules, no pilot's license is needed, making every takeoff both accessible and exhilarating, bringing personal flight to enthusiasts in an incredibly tangible way. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 feels like a flying motorcycle straight from a futuristic sketchbook. A single-seat electric VTOL, built to take off and land within a footprint smaller than a sedan. Its ducted fans allow seamless transition from vertical lift to forward flight, while hands-free, augmented reality-assisted controls make piloting intuitive and futuristic. It can cruise at approximately 100 km per hour, about 62 miles per hour, for around 30 minutes, carrying a payload of up to 90 kilograms, making it nimble and perfect for short, personal flights rather than full-scale commuting. Pricing hasn't been revealed yet, as it remains a prototype and competition-driven concept. Still, its innovative design, autonomous features, and sleek form hint at a high-end personal air transport experience, showcasing what future urban aviation could feel like for adventurous early adopters. CycloTech BlackBird. The CycloTech BlackBird offers a thrilling glimpse into the future of vertical flight. This compact Austrian eVTOL demonstrator recently completed its first successful flight, showcasing 6 advanced cyclorotors with 360-degree thrust vectoring, enabling smooth vertical takeoff, precise hovering, and agile maneuvers even in challenging conditions. With an empty weight around 340 kilograms and a top speed near 120 kilometers per hour, it's built for performance and urban agility rather than daily commuting. While CycloTech hasn't revealed pricing or a production version, the BlackBird serves as a compelling testbed for next-generation personal air mobility. Right now, it's a proof of concept that turns science fiction into reality, hinting at what nimble, city-friendly flying cars could become in the near future. Xpeng X3. The Xpeng X3 flying car concept is a striking vision of urban mobility, where street-legal driving meets vertical flight. Developed by Xpeng's Aero HT division, this eVTOL hybrid blends road performance with airborne capability, offering one-touch takeoff and landing, autonomous flight modes, and optional manual control. Early tests and aircraft certification steps suggest it's not just a concept on paper, it's designed for real-world usability. While official details on speed, range, and payload haven't been released, Xpeng aims to begin deliveries of its modular flying car system by 2026, targeting a price below $280,000. If successful, the X3 could become one of the first relatively affordable, production-ready flying cars, bringing futuristic personal air mobility closer to reality and giving enthusiasts a tangible glimpse of a skybound commute.